Acura RSX, the best of the best, 2006. Especially when you modify it and put some kind of power on it, this car gonna fly. The owner come looking for me from nowhere. Come here, brother. He put a computer with all the plug are inside.
Yes.
Why I see two plugs not there?
No, that's how it is.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
This is the elephant plugs. If you have those plug running, oh, it's gonna be something. Okay, so let's go to diagnose. Okay, we put a computer inside. This computer will not run. You know how to make it run. Okay, let me go to diagnose. Can you turn that AC? Yes, that's good. So I'm gonna go by VIN to see if this VIN from the donor car is still active and I can read it. Because sometimes you can put a 2001 computer and there will be no VIN to read. You can have no VIN and that is okay. And sometimes there is a VIN available. So this will tell me if this car have a 2006. Sometimes they don't have VIN.
I believe this one does.
So we're gonna see here now in a few. See now, up to now I don't see nothing. But we're gonna wait. When he do like this, he sees something. Acura or Honda?
Acura.
Is Acura?
Yes.
Okay, now we're gonna see now. Yeah, because it's 2006, it's like, yeah, you see here? You have a VIN here, right?
Yes.
Okay, what I'm gonna do is I say, okay, this is not your VIN. This is not the original VIN. So this is US. And this is a car, Acura SRX. You see, it's coming from 2005.
Okay.
Which is 5, 6 is the same. I'm gonna say yes. And from here I will try to do something. So how you program it without a machine to work?
It has a USB interface.
Oh, so they give you USB?
Well, not from Acura, but the aftermarket company.
So USB, and what do you have besides USB connect there and it bypass it?
It comes into here. So there's a chip on the board.
Oh, so when you put the USB, then it never work again. It bypass the...
You can access it with a laptop or any
Oh,
PC.
my goodness. And modify it to speed and all this? Or
Right.
just turn the IMO off?
No, engine, timing, everything. Full tunability.
Tuning it?
Yes.
My goodness. You better show me that.
I don't have a computer with me.
So you have a laptop with
Not
you?
with me, no.
So how are you gonna do it?
Well, at home I have a smaller one in the...
Yeah, so when you have it, just bring me. I want to see the system, how they play with it.
Sure, it's called Ktuner.
Maybe I would have it here
Okay, sure.
and keep it to those young boys. They play with it. And instead of just wasting their time watching Kangaroo. Okay, now we're gonna go to I gotta go to HUD functions, and then I will scroll. If I have it, I will be happy. All this odometer keys, the aftermarket. You see, there is nothing say VIN number. See, I don't see nothing here. So I'm gonna go back. Service, train, adjustment. It take too much to catch adjustment, so this is crankshaft pattern. I don't want this. Escape. So go here. Control unit. Engine. On the engine, let me see something. Okay, special function. VIN check.
Thank you.
This enter will rewrite. This is not the engine, right? I will say okay. Now give me your VIN number. Write to me good, please. Don't write it wrong, so that you're gonna have something fly from you. You never catch it. John.
Henry.
John Henry Ford.
No, 4. Number 4.
So you have to say number.
Okay.
I say 4 without number, you're gonna be F.
Number
4.
4.
Uh-huh.
David. Charlie. Number 5.
Yes, you got it now.
Number 4.
Okay.
Number 8.
Okay, you got it.
Xavier.
You are lucky I don't have no hammer here. Xavier.
Number 6.
Xavier X-ray or X-ray or E?
Yeah,
X as in Xavier, okay.
Number 6.
X like X-ray.
Yes, sir.
6.
Sally.
Solomon.
Now, these confuse me. Are these zeros or O's?
There is no O in cars. All
Okay, so zero.
If you see anything in car 0, it's 0. It's not O. They say we can't put O in cars. 0.
Number 1.
1 is 1.
Number 0.
0. I never see number 0. It's 0.
Well, I thought you would put
What's the
Z.
school that?
I thought you put Z. Number 7.
Okay, I catch you.
Number 5.
Okay, now. Is this correct VIN number? Yes. Communicate. VIN has been written. Complete. This is be sure. You are my witness, so don't say no. If your car forget the VIN number, I'm not responsible. Okay, now I gotta check again. This is 75.
Yes.
10875. If you take 0, 1875 is my last VIN number, my last phone number.
Yeah. Meant to be.
Okay, that's good. Don't go gamble with it. I don't want to do ECM reset, nothing, because your car is different. Replace ECM. If I do this one, it will do the key. It will do that one, but I cannot. I don't know if it's affect.
No, it should be fine. It's fine.
Okay, let me see now. He says it's not support here.
I was watching a video and someone said
It's somewhere else.
Get around it.
Hold on, let me show you where it is. We are on the right tools here. Hot function. Immo. No keyless. Yes, I know. Thank you for telling me. Immobilizer. You get to my channel to subscribe.
Yes, sir.
You see it? Immobilizer setup. What is say? Special function. Yes, I see something here. Replace PCM. Say okay. Let's see what it's gonna say, because everything is working. You see there is blinking, so we're gonna see what we're gonna follow the step. Code immobilizer has been completed. Turn the light off. You see? It says completed. Check all key. It will start the car. If everything okay, it will start it. Yeah. I'm gonna push it. Then turn in it. Yeah. That's what I like, man. I only need 100 subscribers from you.
That's beautiful, man.
Now it's for you. Instead of come and tell me I need to program the computer, charge you $100, you go around. Can you write the VIN number? Come on, man. Huh?
Can we double check the VIN?
No, it's okay.
It's good?
Your VIN is good, yeah. That's for sure. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, and I like this guy here. He set up his car, and he have. Look here, this car is stick shift, right?
Yes, sir.
You put it this or it coming like this?
I put it like that.
You come like this?
No, with this color?
No, yeah, like this way. Like,
Yeah, it can't come to.
And the stick also same one?
Yes, but this is a knob that sits a little lower, so it seems shorter. It's countersunk, as they call it.
So if you push this all the way down, it can be 0. Nobody know that there's anything here. You have to get that one. You push the button here. You have a remote. You push it. just go check, hide there, so
Hide
nothing.
everything. When you invent it, I'll be the test
So
subject.
it drive by itself.
I'll be the test subject.
Auto drive now. I like this. Man. Thank you.